Hey, so today I broke my game. For those of you not familiar with it, welcome to the daily wumble word drop. In this series, I add a new word for every 5 follows across my Instagram, YouTube, and my Blue Sky. Today, we got 3 new follows on Blue Sky, so we're gonna add 2 more words, but we're still a couple words behind. We'll get to them later. So for today, I added so and yet, for these 2 reasons. I noted that when I was implementing A and I, text, or at least the text box, would be constrained heavily, which is still a bug I need to fix. So I wanted to see if instead of a word being 1 letter, what if there were 2? And turns out it's still an issue. If a word has 2 letters, it's just still gonna come out greatly missized. So I might hard code a system where it's just like, hey, if it's 2 letters, just the size of the text box is just going to be this. Cool. So that's a visual tweak I need to fix. On top of that, they each have 4 definitions. This might not seem like an issue at first, but because I'm checking every single definition on every single word for every possible iteration of the sentence to sort of get the best possible value, when I was testing a sort of evaluation with a longer sentence with multiple definitions, specifically words that have 4 definitions or higher even, because I have my wait frames sort of per the next evaluation hard-coded as 5, that meant it took like I'll leave it playing during this short. It took a fair minute to actually evaluate, which is a huge problem. So as we sort of progress the project, and definitely before the public release of this sort of demo, that will be changed to not be a sort of fixed variable, but as you sort of increase in the amount of evaluations done, the time's going to heavily decrease to the point where you might even be doing 1 evaluation per frame. I don't want to do 2 evaluations of a definition per frame, because that might sort of cause a lot of weird feedback, specifically in the sense of visual and audio, because I don't want you to at least somewhat ingest what is happening per stage. And for instance, if I have a soundbite that plays when a new max is found, if 2 maxes are found within the same frame, it might just sound like audio clutter, which is already going to be a huge issue. So that's just something I'll need to tackle in the future. But for now, implementing these 2 words has definitely sort of enlightened some issues, so I'll have to tackle that now. So stay tuned.